for me, it's extremely important to show young people especially, to societies in democratic countries, what they might get if they will not put efforts to defend democracy. They can get Lukashenko, Putin, and so on and so forth. So that's why it's important to show that people are dying for the values that your countries are based on, people getting sentences of 10, 15, 20 years in jail because they want to enjoy freedom of speech that you enjoy every day, for people to have possibility to compare. Because, democracy is like religion. It's like something, in the air, but if you don't believe in this, it will just disappear. So give examples to your young people. Remind yourself about your moral responsibility to contribute into that societies that are sacrificing their freedom and lives to get what you have. And in this case, only in this case, you will be able to cherish and to defend and protect democracies in your countries.